Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start with safety and compatibility. Confirm the amplifier's required voltage and that your power source matches. Once done, disconnect the battery or mains to avoid shorts. Make sure you have RCA cables, appropriate gauge speaker wire, and an inline fuse sized to the amp spec. This protects wiring from overload. Label left and right channels on source and speakers so you don't swap polarity. Doing these checks now prevents rework and protects equipment as you proceed to hook up power and signals. Now wire the amp's lifelines. Run the fused positive lead from the battery to the amp, placing the fuse within 18 inches of the battery terminal. Once done, secure a short, low-resistance ground to clean bare metal on the chassis using the same gauge as the power lead to avoid voltage drop. Make sure to connect the remote turn-on lead to the head unit's remote output so the amp powers with the source. These steps ensure stable current and prevent hum or intermittent shutdowns. Finish by routing RCA signal cables from your source pre-outs to the amp, keeping them separated from power wires to minimize noise. Then hook speakers to amp outputs, matching positive to positive and negative to negative. Confirming impedance prevents overheating or distortion. Once connections are secure, reinsert the inline fuse, mount the amp, and reconnect the battery or mains. Start testing at low volume and increase gradually. If you hear hum or no output, check ground tightness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.